have we have demo assistance session, so which will speak about the questions which are being asked by students, and where I will be trying to answer these questions. So any questions regarding this, you can pick it up. This is a demo assistance session for the demo batch of the October month. So now the first question students generally ask, who can take these courses in clinical research? Now, clinical research is testing of new molecules or new drugs or devices or vaccines or cosmetic products in human beings. So clinical research has multiple branches. It has your CR, CDM, PV, pharmacovigilance, and then SAS, regulatory affairs, and medical writing. So there are multiple job openings, job opportunities. All these job opportunities, all this qualification people can join. Either you have a B Pharm, M Pharm, Pharm D, BSc Life Sciences, MSc Life Sciences, PhD, nursing, physiotherapy, and medical and dental people can join these courses. Now, which course will suit you more? B Pharm, M Pharm, Pharm D, nursing, BPT, medical, dental, who are from HCPs, which are called as healthcare professionals. They generally take it up, the pharmacovigilance and as well as medical writing. While the BScs, MScs, who are from life science backgrounds, generally take your clinical research or clinical data management or regulatory affairs, because these people, BScs, life sciences, MSc, life sciences, may not be suitable for the positions of pharmacovigilance, because the pharmacovigilance specifically job requires your pharmacology knowledge or the disease knowledges and the diagnosis knowledges and the terms which are being used, adverse events or drugs related things are being used. So now any B Pharm, M Pharm families, nursing and dental, medical can go into pharmacovigilance and medical writing. But BScs and MScs can choose clinical research and CDM and regulatory affairs. So this is the first question everyone asked me. And the second question is, can final year take this course? Answer is yes, final years can take this course. Any final years who are currently pursuing can take this course. We give 1 year of validity for the course. Your course is valid for 1 year. Any point in time, you can rejoin the course, you can relearn the course, and you can continue the course. So you have 1 year of validity. Duration might be 3 months, but 1 year of course validity is there. So wherein you can continue your course in terms of this. So now how can I choose the course that is right choice for me? See, all the courses are right choice for you, including clinical research, clinical data management, pharmacovigilance, medical writing, regulatory finances. So now, for example, medical writing speaks about more on development of documents like protocol or ICFs or CRFs or IBs, CSRs and literatures and publications and all those stuff comes into medical writing. Once the clinical trial has been designed and developed, then it goes for next step, which is your clinical operations or clinical research, where you conduct the clinical trial at the hospitals. Once the clinical trials are being conducted at the hospitals and you are taking the patients into clinical trials and you are giving the molecules and drugs to test their safeties and efficacies and different assessments you are going to do it, then you have the next team which comes is clinical data management, where these people who are participating in clinical trials will be data collected and also validated and also assessed, and the data will be collected and also validated and analyzed accurately. So this is what your clinical data management work is done. And once the CDM is done, then you go for clinical data analytics or SAS, which is statistical analysis software, wherein you conduct the statistics or analysis of the data which is being presented by clinical data management team. Then you get your medical writing team who provides your submission of CSR, the clinical study reports. And then you have something which is called as regulatory affairs, who submits the final report to the regulatory authority. And then you will get a pharmacovigilance wherein you will collect the adverse events and also validate the adverse events and also conduct the adverse events, how is are being done it. So if you, in a nutshell, if you see what is pharmacovigilance, it's a detection and assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse events and drug-related risk is called as pharmacovigilance. Now, next question, all MBBS and BDS and pharma people can take this. And what is the difference between online and offline? So basically this question has been asked by everyone. So there is definitely fees difference. Online, the fees is little bit less, while offline, the fees is little bit more. say, for example, online, if you are taking 3 course combination like CR, CDM, and PV, then the online fees is 20,000. If you are taking the same course CR, CDM, PV, the offline fees is 25,000. So this is something which is difference between online and offline in fees. But timings wise, online will be late. It will have around 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock sessions, and offline sessions from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock. And 1 hour duration, 3 to 4 months it will take. Materials will be given, which are soft copy, and LMS access where you have username and password. All 150 videos are there in the system. You can just go and learn by yourself also. All the 150 videos contains your CR, CDM, PV, medical writing, regulatory affairs, and also SAS and Power BI and communication skills and complementary courses are being given in the LMS. Every 2 weeks once, weekly once, you will have an exam and you will be given a PG diploma certification in clinical research, CDM, and pharmacovigilance or course combination which you have taken. Generally, we give course combinations. We don't give allow single courses. We give course combination wherein it's CR, CDM, and PV or medical writing or regulatory affair or SAS, something like that, wherein you can learn multiple courses in single shot. So that is the difference between online and offline. Okay, now next question. Yeah. Shall I join course if I have already experience already? So if you have an already experience, definitely you can consider in clinical research if you are working in pharmaceutical industry or if you are working anywhere in the lab or something like that, you can choose this, but your previous experience will not be considered for this clinical research jobs. You have to still go as a fresher job. Now, the next question, what is the fee structure? Definitely, I'll be letting you know about the fee structure. So it's about 3 courses is 20,000. I'll showcase you all the fee structures once again so that you get more clarity on the fee structure. Give me 1 minute. So I'll showcase you what is the fee structure and how the fee structure has been calculated and how the fee structure has been given for this current batch. Based on it, you can discuss further with our team. So now CR, CDM, PV, 3 course combination. If it is online, it's 20,000. And if it is offline, it is 25,000. And you will get a communication skills and MS Excel as free of cost with LMS access and offline and materials also. If you are going for CR, CDM, PV, and medical writing, it's 23,000 for online, 25,000 for offline, or 28,000 for offline. And if you are going for CR, CDM, PV, medical writing 4 course combination, it is fees is 23,000 for online, and offline it is 28,000. If you are going for CR, CDM, PV, medical writing and regulatory affair, it is 26,000 online and 30,000 offline. If you are going for CR, CDM, PV, medical writing, regulatory affair, and SAS, the fee structure is 30,000 online and offline it is 35,000. If you want to take only single course, it's 13,000. Only for single course you can take it up. The fees is 13,000. So this is about your fee structures which are being given for your course combination. 3 course, 20,000 online, 25,000 offline, 23,000 for 4 course online, 28,000 for offline, and 26,000 for 5 course and 30,000 for 5 course offline. 6 course, 30,000 online and 35,000 offline. So this is the course structure or fee structure, and you can take 2 installments for fees. But if you pay one-time fees, there will be reduction in the fees. If you pay one-time, one-shot fees completion, there will be different fees. Online classes fees will be less than offline. Yes, definitely, because I already have explained about fee structure. So both fees will be different. And what is the courses that best suits for me? So whether you are B Pharm or M Pharm or a PharmD or MBBS, what exactly you wanted to go ahead. So it depends on your area of interest. What do you want to do it exactly? How you wanted to work it out and how you wanted to go ahead in your career. That all depends on you. And career goals. Is your career goal is in India or US or Europe or a bigger company or a smaller company? Which is your interest, research or data management or IT companies or work-life balance? What exactly is important? It all depends on your interest, but all courses are good and all courses have good necessary jobs. what type of internships and practical experiences are included? So every student is given an opportunity for internship, CRC interns, 100% guaranteed internship will be there in hospitals where we are in collaboration with so many hospitals. So many hospitals we are in contact, and everyone will be giving us internships. So guaranteed internship will be there for CRC if anyone wants to join it. So it depends on paid internships or unpaid internships. And the next one is assignment-based learning will be there. The learning will be on based on the assignments like protocol development or ICF development or case report form development or CSR development or edit check specification development or causality assessment development, narrow scale development or meta assessments and all those stuff. You will have a practical learning and hands-on training with internships. So this is the biggest advantage for Clinosol, why students comes and joins into Clinosol. Yeah, what are the career prospects after completing the courses? There are multiple jobs which you can go: clinical research coordinator, clinical research associate, trial master file, CSV, which is the clinical data management, and also medical writing, regulatory affairs, and drug safety associate, and signal monitors, risk management plans, project managers, and also trial master file. So all this kind of a jobs, you can go ahead and you can start working on this kind of a opportunities. Every job has different salaries, and based on salaries, you will get different opinions on this. So this is one more question everyone had. Yeah, how do you assist with job placement? So everyone has this question. You give trainings, you give materials, you give videos, you give sessions, you give everything, but everyone will start saying that what is placement for me? How do we assess for job placements? The first one, last come, first serve. It means that the last students who have not got placed yet will be given first openings. That's a first preference to be given. So after 2 months of training, then you are being sent for interviews. Added into one career WhatsApp group where all the students across all batches are there in the WhatsApp group, and career pages will be given, LinkedIn pages will be given, direct HR contacts from Clinosol will be sent. We'll be taking resume writing sessions, mock interviews, and we'll be giving interview based questions, and we will also be taking aptitude trainings for the students. So this is how we assist the students for placements, and Clinosol has placed more than 1,200 students till now. So Clinosol is only works on one of the dedicated outcome, which is the placements. Yeah, what is the certification provided at the end of course? The course will be based on PG diploma in clinical research, CDM, and pharmacovigilance, and both hard copies and soft copies are being given. You can take both soft copy and hard copy for the certifications. And also, we will be providing you letter of recommendations, and verifications also can be completed by us because we are a private limited firm, MSME certified. And also we will be providing internship certificates from the third parties like government hospitals and government colleges. So now I think this is our contact information. You can contact us on this 912-115-1622 and 939-2170-290. So we'll be providing trainings on clinical research, CDM, pharmacovigilance, medical writing, regulatory affairs, and SAS. The fee structures, I have already explained, it's 20,000 and 25,000 for online and offline. So placements, 100% every student is being sent for interviews. Internships, 100% is being given. Communication skills, Excel classes will be given free of cost, and materials will be given. LMS access will be given. Monday to Friday classes will be there. Saturday, you will have industry expert and alumni sessions. Now, I think with this short note, I'm opening the forum for the questions wherein we can answer your questions and we can take it up for some more questions. Yeah. So Yeshu, I'm open for questions. Yeshu, we can stop the recording and we can take questions.